This easy homemade steak sauce is not only for steak, but for burgers, chicken, french fries, and much more. I'm Tess, and I'm going to show you how to make this yummy homemade steak sauce that is tangy and good on just about everything. There are some people who like a good steak sauce, and then there are those who think steak sauce is a sin. Me, I occasionally like a good steak sauce. This homemade steak sauce recipe is very similar to A1 or other store brands. It is not exact, but it has a good base for a steak sauce that you can make your own. It has the tangy, heat, and sweet. This is one of those recipes that you need to make a couple times. Make your adjustments, and by the third or fourth time you have mastered it to your liking. You can adjust the sweetness, the heat, the saltiness, and the tang. You could also add seasonings to your liking and even thicken the consistency with a little cornstarch slurry. I thought it would be nice to add a citrus note like orange, pineapple, or mango. This homemade steak sauce freezes and cans very well. Not only is this steak sauce good on steaks, but also great inside and outside of burgers, as a marinade, on top of chicken, pork, or fish. Dip your french fries, or even mix with a little mayo and squeeze on some corn or other vegetables. This steak sauce is great for picnics and get-togethers. It is always nice to have the option of different condiments and flavors. You never know what someone may like. So let's get started. In my saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding in some ketchup, water, vinegar, fresh lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, minced garlic, some finely diced onion, and some mustard. Giving everything a good stir and bringing up to a simmer and cooking for about 15 minutes to get all those unique flavors combined. After the steak sauce is done, let it cool to room temperature and then strain so you have a smooth sauce. Place in a lidded container in the refrigerator. This homemade steak sauce should last at least a couple of weeks. My family loved this sauce. It did not last very long. I put it in and on everything. The steak sauce had a real nice tang and was a nice accent to a lot of meats, vegetables, and dishes. I hope you give this easy and delicious homemade steak sauce a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!